Orlando, we live in the Sunshine State for a reason. Every day our roofs are bathed in an incredible clean energy source. But are we making the most of it? Today we're exploring how a simple roof assessment can be your first step towards a greener, cleaner Orlando. First things first, what exactly is a roof assessment? Think of it as a health checkup for your roof. Just like you wouldn't run a marathon without ensuring you're in shape, you shouldn't install solar panels without checking your roof. So, what do the pros look for during this crucial checkup? It all starts with the roof condition. They'll scan for wear and tear like cracked shingles or water damage. After all, you want your roof to be in tip-top shape before adding solar panels, but it goes deeper than just the surface. The assessment digs deeper, looking at your roof's structural integrity. Can it handle the extra weight of those sun-soaking panels? This step ensures your home won't buckle under the pressure. Now let's talk about location. In Orlando, south-facing roofs are ideal for solar, but east or west-facing roofs can work too. The pros will also check your roof slope, aiming for that sweet spot between 15 and 40 degrees. We can't forget about trees. They're great, but not when they cast shadows on your future solar panels. A shading analysis helps determine the best panel placement and whether any trees need trimming for maximum sun exposure. You might be thinking, can't I just do this myself? Unless you're a roofing expert, it's best to leave it to the pros. They have the tools, know-how, and safety equipment to get the job done right. Now, let's talk about what makes Orlando special for solar installations. Living in Hurricane Alley means ensuring your solar panels can weather the storm. The assessment will look at wind resistance and recommend the right mounting systems to keep your panels secure. Orlando also has specific rules regarding solar installations. A professional assessment will help navigate these regulations, saving you headaches down the road. If you're part of an HOA, Florida law protects your right to go solar, but there might be guidelines to follow. So, what's in it for you? A professional roof assessment isn't just about dodging issues, it's all about getting the most out of your solar setup. You'll get a solid idea of how much energy your system can generate, a detailed look at your roof's condition, and a smart plan for where to place those panels for the best results. Here's a pro tip. If your roof is nearing the end of its life, consider replacing it before going solar. It might seem like a bigger investment, but it'll save you the hassle of removing and reinstalling panels later. So there you have it. A roof assessment is your first step toward a sun-powered home in Orlando. It's about making sure your solar journey starts on the right foot, or should we say, on the right roof. Remember, going solar isn't just about saving on energy bills. It's about being part of a brighter, cleaner future for Orlando and beyond. So, are you ready to let the sunshine in? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more solar-powered insights coming your way. Until next time, let's keep building a better tomorrow together.